Legend 55.
It is KTV, it is K Times, World Sports Betting. Aye. Mr. Nkeu. I think it's Stellenbosch winning on penalties. Congratulations to coach Stevie Parker with his players. Bobzin, kunente one before Skala singene game in.
Yeah, man.
Ngibona utso ubuso bakabutso ubuthi boo.
Ngani.
Ngale bekat after penalty ka Maurice. I've never seen Minubuso.
You know, Lindo ithi ngitshele before ngibulisa uthanda. Bathi inkosi ayikhothami yodwa uthanda.
Yeah.
Uma ngabe inkosi wile, khona uzolandela hambe nenkosi. Ungahleki bathi ngizama ukuyibeka. Ungabonisi kwangathi mhlawumbe injabulo but sikhuluma ngotsomi ngitshelile ngathi inkosi ayikhothami yodwa.
Yeah. Bobzin, athi sihlepule sistrip esinqe. Ayi futhi asistrip man. Lento iphelele ama penalty. Nanoma singathenga ama pry pack. Athi what do you think of the game?
Uyahleka mngani wami. Ithi ngibulise everyone le studio ngaphandle ko waste isikhathi Lindo.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lindo ngiyacabanga ukuthi ucoach Steve namhlanje uyitholile lento kade ayifuna. Kukaningi nginokusho ngithi if akatholi red card or mhlambe iChiefs ithola ipenalty kuba inhlanhla for yena sometimes. So namhlanje ngiyacabanga ukuthi ne game plan yakhe the way aqhamuke ngakhona ukuthi bangayitholi early mhlambe leyo red card kumenze ukuthi at least apusha azayifika la khona if bekayithole uthi ayithole if bekayithole early ngiyacabanga ukuthi beyazoyiluza le game. Yeah, ngibona namhlanje mina my leader the way aqhamuke ngakhona urotate isquad sakhe uletha abo Oscarin uletha abadlali abafana nabo Menafola lapha ku left back.
But maybe think Buza something different more than this. Let's talk about the midfield because sometimes the midfield already tells you how the coach is going to play. Asikhuluma ngoJinino Peles. Sikhuluma ngeKhiba.
Hayi mancane. Yeah, so ngiyacabanga my leader the way alethe uPalace alethu Khiba waletha umdlalo ofana noTiana bheka ukuthi wenze kanjani ubalethe baba u3 la ku midfield wabulala oyi1 ukuthi angayikuwinga uTitus operate lapha then basebenzisa ulikulwane ngapha ngaka left noma ngathi uyambheka ngathi wonke ama team afuna ukutargeta layer right back ye Kaizer Chiefs because they know ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs uMadlalo Solomon ya attack ngalela side so already kuzoba ne space la khona ukwinika kumele ukuthi akhave ngibona ama coach amaningi ngathi bayeke bayibheka lento le so ngiyabona ukuthi demo wakhuphuka join ulilepo basebenzisa yena ulikulwane kulela side ukuthi no aka operate lapha so that laba shiftele ngapha bangawari ngaleli side la ngapha because bazi ukuthi i left back ye Chiefs which is uCross angeke akhuphuka uzodila no Titus kulela side so ngiyacabanga ukuthi the way benze ngakhona ba play right because bazi ukuthi no Modi ukhona but akakunikeza imoto that's why ngithi kunabanye abadlali uyacabanga ukuthi ebanenhlanhla kakhulu ukuthi bangaqeda 90 minutes baqeda 120 minutes but kunalokho mhlawumbe aba coach abakubonayo thina singakuboni I don't know but ngendlela ngibona ngakhona badile ngayo kakhulu le side because al function well la khona sibona umdu kuba uyu umdlalo ukuthi sometimes kumele add number abuye njenge number 10 yabo so ngiyacabanga ukuthi wena my leader the way uSteve operate ngakhona ulethela abadlali bekahle abadinga ngalesikhathi esiright ungabheka kwenza ama sub 6 from goalkeeper uletha isap injury kaMasuluke uletha umdlalo ofana noBarnes ngapha ulethe i left back Stellenbosch umdaka then uyabuya uletha aboDiong la khona ngibone uBarnes a change igame uBarnes uyichangeile le energy abenayo uBarnes ngoba ubonile immediate bathola i red card ubuyile wazodlala as a right back la khona sebadinga le energy akaBarnes ngiyacabanga they did very well no boy uthola red card uMukobedi ngiyacabanga uMukobedi udlala kahle
played very well
umuntu ebengibona ngathi man of the match uzoyithola but ubheka uPalace la phakathi kwalenkapha
ngoba ushayini 8 enzima kakhulu
uPalace very well but umthiyana into ekumele ayinake malini lento besiyikhuluma kumele azazi ukuthi ngihamba uma kumele ukuthi ngihambe ngasiphi isikhathi because manje ngibona ngathi unenjabulo eningi over excited sometimes unokuthi aluza amabhola la khona kumele ukuthi attack and remember he plays as a 6 kumele sometimes a distribute alinde a protect le defense so ngiyacabanga ukuthi game plan yabo ibasebenzele mina my leader
yazi namhlanje Bobzin nemina I'm sitting here as an expert and I'm thinking to myself how do I judge a good performance when teams don't create opportunities? We were watching two teams that didn't create. For me, in my opinion, I was watching Stellenbosch and I was saying here, Junior Nutso, I was saying, even you, all the team, I was saying, for me, Stellenbosch, from a passing game, they are able to build out from the back. They can find each other, progressive lines, and then now they become ineffective because there are no willing runners behind the defense. So Titus, for me, he was too deep because he had a lot of defensive responsibilities. But I'm saying, okay, they are moving the ball well, they are dominating the match, they're in control, they are keeping the shape, they're defending very well. But where are the opportunities?
Creativity.
So how do we judge a good performance? Do we say do we genuinely say they played well by just keeping the ball with lack of creating opportunities, which is the very same thing that happened at Kaizer Chiefs, Bobzin? To say, yes, they were willing to play on a transition. They understood that the momentum is on the side of Stellenbosch. Why? Because every day. But Stellenbosch had will because Stevie Parker is more of, he's treating the League Cup, because this is it's a League Cup. If I'm a Carabao Cup in England, where he's giving opportunities to players in his squad. So he's using his squad. You understand? And that's why Stellenbosch, Bobo, I speak about roles in the beginning of the season with my conversation with Mr. Nkeo, that certain teams understand their role in the league, and yet they continue to do well. Speaking about Stellenbosch in that space, TS Galaxy, teams that are doing exceptionally well, understanding their role. Stevie Parker, look at the confidence. He understands that, for me, I need to give the new left white guy an opportunity because I'm going to need him the entire season. Yes, Ukiba is on and off because sometimes Gunabo Putsaka in that midfield, Gunabo Lisibanku, Gunabo Pans. So he changed that lineup. Gunabo Kupido, we saw Dion coming in late, second half. So for me, that confidence that he has in his squad, I think that's a reason why those boys, what I saw there is players that will die for Steve. Those boys will give everything for Stevie Parker because, number one, he is coaching the human being before he coaches the player. He gives players opportunities. Umtiane bobo umtrustile and ushai 6 yaga nogusho. Ginono Peles ushay box to box midfield, very good, comfortable on the ball, understands when to help Umtiane defensively. Besu kibuleti control, leti arrogance, leti comfort.
In the middle of the park.
Let it comfort, a lot of comfort, very comfortable on the ball. But the one thing that he has to understand as well, I rate him very high. I think he's one of the best we have, but he has to show it. But in a matter of him joining late in the box, I think he can be very effective in that space. I was having this conversation with him. I said to him, look at Nemtajela at Pirates. And he says, Injaga 1. But I said to him, you need to do a little bit of that as well. Sometimes, because where you play, you are required to create a little bit. You are required to join a little bit in the box. But with regards to Kaizer Chiefs, I felt like there were so many bad performances in my opinion. I think Ulilepo today was ineffective, even though I am a big fan of him in terms of him being a threat. You look at the profile of striker that they are using as well. Onukanyisa Mayo today, I think Lentenze during the week, but Mangatia Cheka overall, Kaizer Chiefs defensively, you have to give them credit. Miguel, Victor Quinica, Dylan Solomon's cross. I think they gave Stellenbosch nothing in terms of we didn't see threat at Stellenbosch, but you also have to credit Loisan, you have to credit Tumkaba, you have to credit the boy, totally red card, you also have to credit Leangam Laleana for a defensive solid shift, because this was a cup game, Bobzin, and in cup games you are expecting attacking football. And both teams did not give anyone anything. The fans, I feel only for the fans that were there. I feel for us who had to sit for more than 120 minutes and watch a game that doesn't have opportunities. But from the fact that Stevie Parker did it, now that story is more beautiful because he's the first one to win this competition. Mabakale in the Carling Cup into a top 16. You know, so he's on that journey as well, and I have to credit Ulentuzu Mthetho because from an energy perspective, I think he won a lot of jewels. Last week, even Andu Shane, I wanted to talk a little bit to say, maybe but remember, Bobzin, I will say this. It's not about what Lindo likes. It's about what the team is doing. It's about what the coaches are trying to implement. And sometimes part of our job is trying to interpret and to read that. And I feel that maybe from a defensive perspective, helping Kaizer Chiefs win our first ball, second ball, covering it distance, does he have a vision? Maybe not, but I would have preferred Ucele a little bit, maybe closer to him, somebody who's got a pass or somebody who's got a vision. Unkosi Mpilu nayo, but njoba ngishilo umfana mela lungisa conditioning. Bobzin, nanoma singazama ukuyihlepula kanjani. It was a draw game after all.
My leader, yazi maqeda ukusho ukuthi Steve Parker is the first coach to win. Ngake ngasho ngathi ngakhipha amanye amagama ngithi le trophy le angazi ukuthi kuma sponsor mhlawumbe ngathini ivamisa ukuwina ama team amancane ngeke ngakusho lokho monga ibheka babiya khona bo Stellenbosch babiya khona bo Magesi ukubhithi Sundowns kuma finals, so ngeke ngakusho lokho. So uma ngathi uyibheka njenge team efana ne Kaizer Chiefs njengamanje njenge sponsor kuluza kwe Chiefs angeke kufane nokuthi kuphuma iMamelodi Sundowns. Ngifuna ukusho le support abanayo labantu uma ungabheka lapha eCape Town ukuthi bekunjani, kusho kona ukuthi ilento abazo isponsor besizoyidinga ukuyibona going forward. The more mhlambe ama team afana nabo Chiefs, Pirates baba khona, the attendance yabalandeli. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi nayi Kaizer Chiefs my leader njengoba usho ngakhona umdlalo ofana no Serino, yazi ngimbonile ngena as a sub. The problem ngike ngayibona udlala nzima amadlala kude nebox umlethile yes uSirino but angadlaleli kude uyi-threat uma adlalela next to the box uSirino uma yenza ama-box entries because decision making uSirino ngiyacabanga umunye umdlali engaziyo ukuthi uzokunikeza something you understand so
Bobzin, before ngoba ngiyabona uJustice Sekaze, we've got two things that we need to speak about that are very crucial in this, critical. Let's speak about Ntwari and the decision yakhe noVuma. Do you think that psychologically Mshayile riding just before ama penalty?
Ngiyacabanga ngabe imshayile psychologically but ukhumbule ukuthi bamazi kangcono kuvuma noNtwari ejimini. Sometimes lento kumele kube ne communication between uVuma noNtwari ne coach yabo goalkeeper ukuthi uyazini manje senza into efana nale.
Do you think the Kaizer Chiefs coaches was made, do you think that goalkeeper coach was making the right decision by bringing uVuma, because what we saw kula ma penalty la
communication lapha because umbonile uNtwari ngathi bekabonisa ukuthi no, he was surprised ukuthi how niyangikhipha now, you understand. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi lento le idinga ukuthi my leader uma ngabe share position kunala khona ngazi khona uthi ejimini ngigudu kupha ngigudu sometimes uma ngabashali yasapho kumele kube yimi engizonzani engizoshaya izandla ukuthi no thank you ngicela uhambe ye save because ngiyakwazi ukuthi ugood. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi I communication bengekho good kule sasini.
This is a big institution. This is the big football club. For me, what I saw there ku bench, lack of leadership in such a big institution, that's very embarrassing in my opinion, Bobzin. Lastly, let's speak about the coach, Bobzin. Do they let these guys go? This is the right time to bring in a new coach. There's 2 weeks, international break, which is plus minus 12 days. There's no international player except maybe a Ntwari that is going out. So the coach, if he comes in, he's got a full squad to work with. He's got a week to prepare. I don't know, I'm not sure which is Kaizer Chiefs' next game, but I'm sure it's probably not as difficult. Do you bring in a new coach now when you have a preseason, or do you still keep these guys to say, hey, work with what you have?
Ngiphendule ngendlela right, my leader. Baningi abocoach kumele ukuthi balethwe emathimini, baningi abocoach abazohamba before i-first round iphela, because mangizophendula lo mbuzo mina nawo bangahle basibuze ukuthi why nibuza lo mbuzo ofana nalo, because kuningi kumele nikubuze. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-Chiefs yamdinga coach. Let us be honest. Njengoba usho i-Chiefs i-team enkulu. Yo, kunzima ke lapho Thami, but ngiyazi ukuthi ikhemi le Kaizer Chiefs ibalela imhlophe awuthami. Ngifuna ukutshela lokho nje. Ikhemi le Kaizer Chiefs ibalela imhlophe. So uma ngabe bazothola mhlambe ucoach from Europe, uyu umuntu mhlambe engathi angayicoach iKaizer Chiefs, because la ekhaya ngiyacabanga ukuthi akukho lula, but uyazi ukuthi uSebitso siyafisa ukuthi athole umsebenzi la ekhaya, but kuyoba nzima my leader.
iDiski TV, iDiski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you. Shapunjani bafowethu, igama lami Lindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.